Good morning. This is Dr. Haritha from Department of General Medicine, Narayana Medical College and Hospital, Nellore. Today, I am going to highlighting about the World Rabies Day, that is, which is celebrated on 28th September every year, on the remembrance of Louis Pasteur death anniversary, because he invented vaccination for rabies. Rabies is a zoonotic disease, that is, it spreads from animals to humans. When an animal scratches or bites a human, this virus enters the human body. When the virus enters the human body, the person can develop symptoms in a gap of from 1 week to 12 weeks. The symptoms can be in a form of mild headache to severe form of central nervous system problems. As the virus affects CNS most commonly, the person can be in a drowsiness to lethargy and coma, or the person can be in a very irritable state. It can also cause paralysis of the muscles of swallowing and respiratory muscle paralysis, which leads to death of the patient. Though rabies is a most dreadful disease, it can be prevented by vaccination, pre and post exposure prophylaxis. Pre-exposure prophylaxis includes vaccinations and immunoglobulins to those people who are at high risk, which includes those people who are in frequently contact with animals, that is forest group officers, or in veterinarian doctors, or in those laboratory technicians who are frequently working with vaccination. Post-exposure prophylaxis includes when a person is bitten by a dog, frequent washing with the soap or repeated underwater washing for at least 15 minutes leads to termination of the disease or prevention of the disease. And vaccination post bitten by a dog can lead to prevention of the disease. The theme of the year 2021 World Rabies Day is the rabies, the facts, not fear. That is, many people are afraid of the rabies vaccination that it leads to some neurological damage, so they are hesitant to get vaccinated due to some miscommunications and misinformation. So people are hesitant to get vaccinated, leading to death of the people. So the main aim of this theme is to spread the facts about the disease. The spreading of the facts about the disease leads to increased awareness about the disease and decreased burden of the disease, and it leads to frequent vaccinations among the people and also among the animal population. This frequent vaccination can prevent the spread of the disease and decreases the burden in the community. So, not to spread fears is because when the person is fear of the rabies vaccination, he will not be able to get he will be hesitant to get vaccinated, so that it leads to death of the patient. This awareness program is mainly targeting those people who are bitten by the dog, or who are exposed to a dog affected with the rabies, or who are living in a community which is having many rabies cases. So from this we can understand that though rabies is a 99% fatal disease, but it is 100% preventable. Thank you.